this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and as part of our 12 Days of Vlogmas series, today we're going to transform our mantle from our fall decor to our Christmas decor. So stay tuned and watch how we do it. The first thing we're going to do is remove everything from the mantle. Now we got to keep in mind as we design the mantle of what's hanging above the mantle, because this is one of my favorite things. Is a vintage poster of a cruise ship. So we love cruising and it's staying up there for Christmas. So part of the decor will include some reds and blacks and golds just to complement the picture, but also stick with a Christmas theme. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add some heavy duty gold stocking holders, because I love putting out our stockings every year. And these originally were silver, and I painted them gold to go with the decor with spray paint. We're going to secure the stocking holders onto the mantle using Scotch Mount Extreme double-sided mounting tape. Since the stocking holders are so heavy, once we decide where we like the stocking holders to go, then we'll use this to put them in place. Now the stocking holders are snug and taped down with the double-sided tape, and now we've hung the stockings. For the stockings, we have a buffalo check pattern, and there's 3 adults in our house and 2 doggies, and of course the puppies definitely get their own stocking. And we purchased this garland from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to add onto the garland some little bows that I'm going to make with this burlap ribbon, just to add a little bit extra to it. So this is just a really simple garland. I didn't want anything really big or huge because we're going to put some bigger things up on the mantle. So it's a simple garland, but I did add the little burlap ribbon just to give it a little bit extra, because some of the decor that I'm going to use does have some burlap in it. So next we're going to add 2 lit Christmas trees, and these just have the lights on them and a bow at the top right now. I'm not sure if I want to add anything to the trees or not. But we have the lit Christmas trees with the bows, and we have put 1 on each side. Alright, so the next thing we're going to add to our mantle are these lanterns. Now, it may look familiar, but these lanterns are the ones that we made in a prior video. And now we're going to put them on our mantle. We have 2 of them, and I will put the link to that video in the description if you want to know how we made them. But these are the lanterns that we had on the mantle before for fall. We just dressed them up for Christmas. And there's another one on the other end. And next we're going to add this little cute joy sign that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, just to kind of add to the decor with a lantern. And on this end we're going to add these adorable Christmas trees that I actually made using ribbon, and I'll also put the link to that video in the description below. And now it's all put together, and this is how we're decorating our mantle for this Christmas. I'll give you one last close-up look. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, we wish you a Merry Christmas, and we hope that you have a great New Year.